Hello YouTube, I'm back again with another video. This is G, your boy Beto G. Today I'm going to be making a Delaware trap beat. The beat that I'm going to be making now is going to be a hardcore trap beat. I'm going to make it simple, how to make a Delaware trap beat. I'm dropping videos on beat making on my YouTube channel, so you can follow along and pick a new or a skill. That is it. I'm going to be dropping a Delaware trap beat now. If you are watching on your Android or on your smartphone or on your computer, make sure you smash the subscribe button so that when next I drop new videos, you will get notified. The type of trap beat I'm going to make now is a Delaware trap beat that any rapper can rap on. Thank you for watching. Let's get straight into my FL Studio and start programming our Delaware trap beat. Right now, I'm in my FL Studio. I'm going to pick a good sound, a really nice sound to create my Delaware trap beat. As you can see, this is my channel rack. The blank space here is my playlist, and this is my mixer. Now, when creating beats, take note on this. Make sure you take good notes. Always pick good plug-in. And when you pick your plug-in, make sure you pick good sound to create your beat. Now, I'm going to pick today. I'm going to pick FL keys to create my Delaware trap beat. Now, I will route it channel 5. I've routed my Delaware plug into channel 5. I will left click, right click, and open up my FL keys. As you can see, that's how it sounds. But I'm going to change the piano. I'm going to pick concert. No, I'm going to pick school piano. This is school piano. I will left click and open. Left click, open. That is my school piano. Now I will start programming my beat, drawing my notes. Now I've created 4 bars pattern. I'm going to copyright the bars number 8. Is number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. That's my number 8 bars. Now I'll control and A highlights my note, pitch it down or up. As you can see, it's sounding very good. Now I'm going to add a flute to reverb too. I'm going to add a parametric EQ too. Now I'm going to pick another instrument again called bull bass. I'm going to route the channel 6 and open up my bull bass. melody sounding very nice and cute, good. Now I'll start programming my hi-hats. I'm programming my hi-hats. I've created a 4 bars pattern of my hi-hat. Now I'm going to copyright bars number 8. Now I'm going to pick my snare. First of all, I'll pick my 808 and W first, my kick. My kick. Now I'm going to split by channel and arrange all my playlists. I'm going to split by channel, arrange by my playlist. I'm going to bring my snare, my piano, and my second melody again. my beats. I'm adding a sound organizer on my snare. On my hi-hat, I'm going to add another sound organizer to increase the volume and put it to T. And that's okay. I'm going to swap left and right, reverse the polarities. Swap and reverse the polarity here. I will reverse the polarity, swap left and right, and reverse everything, reverse the polarities, and it's okay. That's my Delaware trap beat. After this, you are going to listen to the full melodies. Let's listen to the full Delaware trap beat now. Make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification bell below for new videos again next time. Oh, the beat is very good. Delaware trap beat. It's good to always use automation when creating beat. As you can see, I've used the two automation on my beats. These are the automation where my mouse is here. This is the first automation. The second automation to pitch down the volume, to reduce volume a bit, to control the volume on each pattern. This is the outro. This is my outro. Very nice.